Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your control center, which you can do by swiping down on the right side like so. This brings out a bunch of toggles similar to typical Android, and nowadays to add a toggle we will just hold our finger here like there are icons, and then as you can see, it just kind of allows you to resize the ones that exist and do all that stuff. And you can also click right here, add to control, and just find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Just gonna click on it, it gets added, and that's it. Now we can just tap somewhere, and from here we're gonna click on the toggle itself. Begins a countdown. So once you click the square to stop the recording, it gets automatically saved to your Photos application right over here. I'm going to open it up. And in here we should have it visible somewhere. Now let me just quickly actually see where I am. Okay, so that's search. So it shows up on the recent. Under collections, you also might be able to find it, as basically what you will be looking for is a screen recording album, or here is recently saved, or videos. So it looks like probably the easiest way for you to locate it would be to go to videos. Yeah, screenshot doesn't have anything, so yeah, that's going to be in the videos. But anyway, you can just tap on it, and as you can see, it's now playing back. And you can open up applications, obviously, as you can see, to record them. I'm not aware if there are any applications that will be blocking the screen recording like they do on Android. So that is something that you might need to check out. If you have some kind of problems with recording, it might be to do with an application. But like I said, I haven't ever checked it out if this is the case for iPhones themselves. Like I mentioned, Androids do have a feature that allows application to be excluded from being able to be recorded, and what you would end up having is a straight up black screen. Not sure how it's done here, so something that you might want to check out. Anyway, to give you an example of an application that would typically be blocked on at least Android side would be Netflix as an example. Any kind of streaming applications, or also Ping applications. So we can check out what happens with those applications, and if you can record them, then it means that it's just not gonna be affected by it. But anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.